In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this HONOR. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Biometrics and Password. Now click on Face Recognition. Enter your current login method and click on this little icon next to Enable Rise to Wake to disable or enable this option. When you're ready, click on Get Started at the bottom right corner. Remember to follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. If you want to add another appearance, click over here and follow the same instructions. Now you can manage all of those options however you wish though. When you're ready, we can switch off our screens. And now when I switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete face data completely, tap on Face Recognition, enter your screen lock, and click on Delete all facial data at the top. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!